Mechanics don't want you to know this simple reset trick. Because if you knew it, you could fix up to 95% of your car problems at home for free. That's right, no expensive diagnostic fees, no unnecessary repairs, and no wasted time. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how this trick works, why it fixes so many issues, and when you should definitely try it before rushing to the shop. Trust me, this one can save you hundreds, even thousands of dollars. Section 1. Why cars throw so many problems? Let's start with this. Modern cars are basically computers on wheels. They've got dozens of sensors, computers, and electronic modules talking to each other every second. But here's the thing, just like your phone or laptop, these systems sometimes glitch. A sensor may send the wrong signal, the computer gets confused, and suddenly you've got a check engine light, rough idle, weird shifting, or even poor fuel economy. Now, here's the kicker. A lot of those issues aren't actually mechanical failures. They're just temporary software glitches, and that's where this reset trick comes in. Section 2. The secret reset trick. So what's the trick? It's called a hard reset of your car's ECU, the engine control unit. Here's how you do it. Turn off your car completely. Pop the hood and disconnect the negative battery terminal. Wait at least 15 to 30 minutes. Some people even press the brake pedal during this time to drain leftover power from the system. Reconnect the battery, tighten it down, and start the car. Section 3. What this fixes. Check engine light from temporary sensor misreads, rough idle or stalling after small changes like refueling, transmission shifting issues caused by bad adaptive learning, poor gas mileage when the ECU has been stuck in the electrical glitches like random warning lights or accessories acting up. Section 4. When to use it and when not to. Now, a quick warning, this reset trick is use it when you've got a sudden check engine light with no other symptoms. Your car is acting weird after a battery change or refuel. You want to clear codes after a repair to see if they come back. Don't rely on it if you hear grinding, knocking, or mechanical noises. The check engine light flashes that can mean a serious misfire. The problem keeps returning after a reset. Section 5. Wrap up and call to action. So there you have it, the simple reset trick mechanics don't want you to know about. It fixes up to 95% of minor car problems, saves you money, and puts you back in control of your ride. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more DIY car hacks, and share this with a friend who always complains about their check engine light. Remember, sometimes the best fix is just a simple reset.